Are you videoing me again?
We're heading back down now.
Thanks for that video all that time. Too bad I don't have my phone now. I'm be careful and not drop that phone. What do these things come off of these cables or
I believe they're welded into it. That's what it looks.
Can you imagine if we stuck in the cables? We would be like in an epic proportion.
Yeah, it would be very epic, wouldn't it?
It would.
An epic failure.
And it would not be fun.
Fuck no. I don't think it'd be exciting one bit to smack that damn ground and roll all the way down to the road.
Fuck no.
Do more than fucking tickle. That goddamn Space Needle you love.
Oh, I don't think so. Great view. I doubt I'll be riding it again. Just so you know.
How come? Because what?
Man, I don't like shit, okay? Like nothing. I like nail pipes, amusement park rides, and this, like, almost qualifies as an amusement park ride to me. Well, which is it fucking would be if one of these cables broke, and that's what I have stuck in my life. It wouldn't be fucking amusing, though. It would be fucking dead. I don't prefer to get on shit, or some, like, Friday the 13th bad luck crap karma comes back on me. You know? So if I'm on the ground, at least, like, a car or something would just have to be. It's not going to be that a cable broke or a roller coaster ride goes flying off this track. You know.
I understand.
Why are you not scared of anything either?
Huh?
It's fun. Oh, yeah. Yeah, that went down as fun. That's what that was meant to do.
Really make a hell of a fireman.
What?
Lack of fear.
Yeah, you probably would.
You're going to leave a hand indentation in that pole, baby.
No, squeeze it out. We can't ever even see this video unless it's on your cell phone.
I can put it on YouTube.
Oh my god, what the high point now. Oh my god.
Look, I got a cage just for all of us. That's for the smokers on this thing. Monsoon before we got here. Ran off 90% of the population up here. Fucking Space Needle is up there, ain't it?
Oh, yes, it is. thing is a food expense.
You walk out to the edge of it with me.
No.
I'm the one person that wouldn't let you fall.
Oh, whatever. There's nothing you can do about it. I'm scared of that. I'm not doing on that thing like ever again. And I'm not getting on this thing ever again either, probably. I've seen the view, it's my fucking misprint, and that's it. I'll remember it always, trust me. I'll probably dream about it tonight. Being high in the fucking air and a cable breaking.
Well, we're almost back to the port.
What is that on that tree?
That's what happened to the last guy.
No, I said, what is on that tree? I'm not like three. Is that a pear tree?
Yeah. I hate to be the maintenance man that worked on these damn things.
Me too.
I hate to be the one that has to swap out these cables every fucking so many days.
Me too.